guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is my shopping haul. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this has not been the greatest shop that I've ever done. It's probably gonna be better when I go to Chatham, but I did get a few things. I finally spent my birthday money, so I got a few things out of that. I got a candle from Tesco's at my birthday money, and I got a few extra little bits from Home Bargains. I just mainly got food, and yeah, it's just, I don't know, this time round when I went shopping, it's not that great, to be honest. But if you guys would have seen my come shop with me, if that was a really short. It's just everyone was all in town. Obviously it's near Christmas time, so everyone's trying to rush to get the Christmas presents done, get all the food done, you know, everyone's rushing about here, there and everywhere. I got mostly food and a few little things. Some things are for now. I just literally got a couple of presents and then I just bought the rest online. Home Bargains, I actually thought there was going to be a lot more stuff in there, to be fair, but they had gift sets in there, but not the sets that I was actually looking for. Yeah, it's not really much of a haul, but I'll still show you anyway of what I purchased. I've got loads of goodies. Obviously we have a goodie day on a Saturday. That is all going to change after New Year, because after New Year we are going to eat healthy. We want to lose a bit of weight for the wedding and for our honeymoon. So yeah, we're making the most of all the goodies. I didn't actually get much proper stuff. I got just a few little things for myself, a couple of candles, some socks. Yeah, anyway, let's get on to today's video and show you what I purchased. So first things first, we went into Tesco's. I did get like meal deals for us. I got my work stuff, like my sandwiches, like my sandwich filler and stuff, everything that I needed for the week for work, so I made sure I got that. And then I saw these in like the Christmas aisle where you got all like your Christmas chocolates and stuff. I like dairy milk anyway, and so does Nathan, and I thought, you know what, I'll get as a pack. I know they're supposed to be for Christmas, but like I said, we have like a goodies weekend, so I thought, you know what, I'll get a pack of these for now. So these are just the pack of dairy milk. We've got loads of different individual dairy milks in here. Now, I actually got Nathan 2 packs of squishies, a bubblegum flavour and Coca-Cola flavour. Now, I used to absolutely love squishies. I still can eat them, but I can't eat as many. I get so much bad belly pain from them. It's unbelievable. I can have a couple, but no more than a few, then it just upsets my stomach. So I got myself some crispy mini M&Ms, which I absolutely love. I do apologise if this is more of a food haul than it is actually anything else, but I do apologise for that, because there was hardly anything in town this time round. I'm more excited to go to Chatham, go to the Range, go to Primark, go to TK Maxx, but that's not until the 29th, so I'm more excited for that one than anything. But yeah, I've got some crispy M&Ms. Then as we went down the snacks aisle, like I said, I was getting some stuff ready for work. I was getting some snacks and stuff for Christmas, and obviously for Saturdays, like we have our little snacks on Saturdays as well. And then I've got 2 packs of these Belvita chocolate chips ones. Now, we used to have these all the time, and then we just suddenly stopped having them, so I've got 2 packs of these. We can have like 1 each day. They are very moreish, so if no one's ever had these before, they are very moreish and absolutely incredible. Then also, while I was in Tesco's, I actually spotted this candle. Now, I know it's a Christmas candle, but I purchased it out of my birthday money because I needed to get something anyway, because I haven't spent it yet. So I saw these candles. I thought they were so cute. It actually lights up when you actually light the candle. Oh, I love this smell. So this is the mulled wine scent. So that is what the candle looks like. So you've got the actual candle bit inside the middle. So obviously when you burn the candle, the whole thing lights up, and I cannot wait to burn that over Christmas period. That would probably be the first candle I would light 1st of December. Obviously, yes, we have the tree up and everything, but we haven't been putting the lights on until obviously December time. So yeah, that's going to be the first candle I light over Christmas. Then we went into Savers. Was it Savers? No, Pound Stretcher. And I got just a couple of things. So we were just walking through Pound Stretcher, just having a look. I grabbed a basket just in case. I know what I'm like. If I don't grab a basket, there's going to be loads of stuff that I would want. But we was walking around and I saw these pair of thermal socks. Now, I already have these socks, but where I wear them all the time for work, they get worn, they get washed so many times. Plus, Nathan nicks them as well. So I decided to get 2 more packs. They are actual thermal socks. They keep your feet nice and lovely and warm. So I've got an extra 2 packs of them just to keep my feet nice and warm at work. And then, as you go through the Pound Stretcher, you've got a little section of like the gingerbread section. And I thought, oh my God. So I actually got the gingerbread candle. I love the smell of that. It smells so sweet and it's lovely over Christmas time as well. So I got that. It looks so cute as well. And obviously you guys would have seen the vlog where you had the candles, the diffusers, you had like trays, you had like little gingerbread houses and stuff. And I thought it looks so cute and I absolutely love that. And then these are just for Christmas only. So we got 2 pots of the mini cheddars for Christmas. We was going to get the Twiglets this year, but we decided not to in the end. I think I want to try and get the, is it like cheese and onion crinkles, if that's what they're called? We had them last year. We absolutely loved them. So I want to try and get them as well. But we've got 2 tubs of the mini cheddars just for Christmas. Then went into Savers. Didn't really get much in there. Technically the only thing I wanted to get in there was hair dye. So I just got a box of hair dye. So I'm going to dye my hair today. Either today or tomorrow I will dye my hair. So that's just plain and boring. And then we went into Home Bargains. Now, I actually felt personally I was going to spend the most in Home Bargains. That's why I saved quite a bit of money just for Home Bargains, because I thought that is where I'm going to do the most damage. But to be honest with you, I actually didn't. I think I spent about like, what, 60 odd quid? And yeah, normally I can go way over. I think it depends on what they have in stock. Now, like I said in the intro, they didn't really have that many men's gift sets. If you have someone that's really into Link sets, Nivea sets, Adidas gift sets and stuff like that, then go to Home Bargains. They have absolutely loads of them. But if you are looking for like Baileys and Hardy's or Dove sets for men, you know, they don't really have them. They only have like the Dove set for women. And even for women's gift sets, they didn't really have that many. So yeah, Home Bargains was a bit of a downer this time round. But like I said, I'm so looking forward to Chatham because I know I will do the most damage in Primark, TK Maxx and in the range, and I cannot wait for that. So first things first, I got is a pack of Discos. Now these are for Christmas. Now I think as you get older you start to have not kind of go off like chocolate and savoury stuff, but you go to the more crisps and stuff. So I wanted packs of Discos for Christmas. So these ones, this is a pack of 14. So you've got some corn cuts, house salt, vinegar and cheese and onion in there. I was actually going to get these in my Asda order next week, but I decided to get the pack now so I can pop them away. What else? Now, I got these out of my birthday money, but I absolutely love them. You will probably see these again in the Christmas pamper prep video. So these are the Winter Wonderland bath salts. I did actually purchase these last time. I think it was actually this time last year when I actually first purchased them, and they were absolutely incredible. I love them. They did last me a good while actually. It ran straight into this year when I've actually finished them. They are absolutely lovely. Nice for the winter season as well. So I've got them. Then, sorry, I've put the bag on the floor, so that's why I'm keep bending down. And in our Home Bargains, right at the back of the wall, you've got all your Grinch stuff. You've got like your Grinch pyjamas, kids bits, slippers, and then you've got loads of goodies of Grinch. You've actually got cups in there as well. And there was like candy floss, chocolate, signs, baubles, absolutely everything of Grinch. and I could not go away without anything to do with Grinch. So I've got the Grinch candy floss. I absolutely love candy floss and I love Grinch. So yeah, I couldn't go home without that. And obviously, me and Nathan are obviously buying a few drinks for Christmas as well. I've actually ordered on Asda the Smirnoff Raspberry, which I did actually buy 2 bottles for my birthday. I absolutely love them. They taste like Skittles, so I'm going to buy loads of bottles of them for Christmas. And Nathan wanted a couple of bottles of Amaretto, so I've got him one of them. So I'm going to get some loads of Coke as well. So I've got that. I got 2 gift sets in Home Bargains. One, which is this one, which is the Dove gift set. So it comes with a mini deodorant spray. I think that's a bottle of lotion and a shower gel. Then the second gift set I have. Now, I was looking for like a Bayliss and Hardy gift sets throughout town, but I could not find any like men ones. I think the only ones that I probably could have got them would have been in Boots, but they probably charge the earth for them. So I saw this in Home Bargains and I thought, do you know what? That actually looks really nice. It looks similar to the ones I've actually purchased on Amazon for a few people throughout my family as well. So this has got a bottle of Radox in, Sure Spray, 2 Radox shower gels. I think that's another body spray and a Vaseline as well. So this ain't bad for £5.99 and you get all of this inside this box. So I actually really like that. So that's going to be someone in my family as well. So I've got that. And then the last few bits that I purchased. It's making so much noise. So I saw this all over social media and I thought if I go to Home Bargains, I've got to look out for it. So this is the new Radox Vanilla Cookies Bubble Bath. And do you know what? I've not even smelt this yet. Ooh. So when I have a bath and I have this, I'm going to smell like cookies. It actually does smell like cookies and all. And I cannot wait. Then, as I looked down, I actually saw it they done it in the shower gel form as well. So I've got the shower gel of the same scent and the bubble bath. So I'm definitely going to smell like cookies on that day. I will probably use them on my Christmas Pamper Pet video. Then I just got the Biscoff bath on myself, which I love this one. I've not really tried the other one, but I absolutely love this one. And of course, a little Grinch chocolate bar. Like I said, I love Christmas, I love Grinch. And I actually got these last time, I think it was, yeah, this time last year. And I absolutely loved them. They're actually quite nice. They've got a creamy filling as well. So if you like any chocolate with creamy filling in, then they are for you. The next thing I have is a Cenerity Collection Bath Honey. Now, I've had this sort of thing before. It's really, really lovely in a bath. Plus, it gives you like the little dupe of the Laura Mercier kind of vibe. So I absolutely love that. I got that out of my birthday money as well as the Radox. I needed some more hair masks. So I got the Garnier Ultra Blends Hair Remedy Coconut Oil and Cocoa Butter hair mask. And last but no means least, they do the AU vodkas in there as well. So these are the pre-drinks. I absolutely love the AU vodkas. I have, if you've seen my holiday vlogs, I actually had one of these every night. Sometimes I had 2 every night. I absolutely love them. They come in so many different flavours. These are the blue raspberry ones. I absolutely love them. Obviously, don't give them to your kids because it's got vodka in. But yeah, I absolutely love AU vodkas. Like I said, I had them every night on my holiday. But yeah, that is everything that I got through my shopping trip. Sorry, it's not exactly much. Like I said, it's not a really good one this time round. I can't wait for Chatham because it's going to be so much better because we've got Primark, TK Maxx, Poundstretcher, Poundlands, and then you've got the big home where you got the range as well. So I cannot wait to bring you along for that one. We'll be going there on the 29th. So again, you'll have a full vlog and then a haul as well. So guys, if you have enjoyed today's video, as always, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.